And what about others? I can see 7 chat. So everyone is ready? Everyone is ready, right? Yes, so all of you, welcome to Unify Study. Today this is the surprise test. So actually I have taken the same question, that is the December 2018 question. We have done till 22 question we have done. So I am starting from 23rd question. So try to solve this, and I will not give you more time. The timer is not there. I will try for the timer. Yes, hello Vikrant. So try it without wasting time. Everyone, please concentrate. Take a deep breath. Please concentrate and try to judge yourself, because this is your mock test. I know that you are not taking the mock test, you are not giving the mock test weekly. That's why I will take your mock test, and take a breath and start. It is your exam, think like that, and I am not going to give you the more time. Maximum time will be 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes you have to solve, maximum time. Okay, so your time start now. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. Okay, let's see what will be the answer. So last 30 second is there. Last 30 second is there. Try everyone, try to answer. Okay, it's over. Time up. It's time up. So I am showing the answer. What will be the answer? The answer is option number 3. Option number 3 is the answer. That is the correct answer. Option number 3. Who are correct? Himani is correct. Manish is correct. Sunita is correct. Kallani, you are wrong. Sarita, you are wrong. It is asking which of the following is correct. That is the L1 minus R is context free. Please watch the video. L1 minus R is context free. Okay. Yes, 3 is the correct answer. L1 minus R is context free. Please watch the video. There is the TOC. We have discussed all the question. Please check the TOC playlist if you have any doubt. Okay, now come to this question. Now next question. विक्रांत, ये YouTube का क्लास नहीं है. YouTube में कैसे क्या करना है, ये नहीं है इसका क्लास. It is the class for a surprise test. I will try to arrange a timer for you. I will try to arrange a timer for you. From the next test, I will try it, that how to add a timer. Try it, everyone, try it. Humara Pratibimb. Humara Pratibimb. Okay, I think you are new. Humara Pratibimb. I think you are new to this channel. So please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. And you can join the WhatsApp group and Telegram group also. You can see there are so many videos available. You can join the video. Okay. So last 1 minute. Last 1 minute remaining. Last 1 minute remaining. Answer, think and answer. Last. Thirty second. 30 second. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. So let's see what will be the answer. What will be the answer? Let's see. Answer is option 4. Option 4 is the answer. So who is correct? Manish is correct. Vikrant is correct. Others are wrong. Option 4 is the answer. So what is option 4? In the option 4, everyone is giving the option 1. Greedy algorithm. Greedy algorithm, select node explanation is optimal path to that node has been found. Time complexity depend on quality of heuristic search. A1. Select the substance flow. B1. Select a node expansion of optimal path to that node has been found. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. See, A star algorithm. With the A star algorithm, you are confused with this because you are thinking A star is time complexity is depending on this. You are thinking that because of that A1, select a node and expansion is optimal start. Yes, that is heuristic, that is A star. Time complexity depending on quality of heuristic, and this is here that select a node for expansion of optimal path to that node has been found. To that node has been found, that is Bika by elimination. Bika 1 by elimination. So you are thinking yes, A star Bika 1 है ना, 4 ही होगा इसका. देखो ए स्टार एल्गोरिथम में क्या होता है, एक स्टार एल्गोरिथम में वी आर चूजिंग ए नोड and after that we are expanding, we are taking some value and after that we are expanding, we are doing it in A star, right? Greedy based fast search, it is also heuristic, right? Don't be confused, the answer is 4. You are by watching only heuristic, by watching only heuristic you are thinking A will be 4, A will be, you are thinking that A is 1 and B is 4. You are thinking that here that is A star because of this heuristic. No, because try to read this one point. Okay, yes, so 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer only. Yes, now try to solve. Yes, 4 is the correct answer only because of only one you have selected but others you did not watch. So please try to read carefully. For all the options, try to read carefully and then go for the answer. All of you are give wrong answer. Only Bikrant give correct answer and Manish. So now, not 26, it is 25. Sarita, it is 25, not 26. Okay, what about others? Sanjeev is giving the answer. What about others? Sarita, don't do this type of mistake. Don't do हरी बरी. कभी don't do हरी बरी. हरी बरी में आंसर दोगे तो गलत होगा ही होगा. Always try to read the question and always try to focus that what it is asking. ठीक है सरिता, don't do this type of mistake. It is asking which one is not the principle of agile philosophy, right? So the answer, what will be the answer? Answer is, I am showing the answer. Answer is 4 only, right? First what you have given, that you did it miss it not. There is the not, right? Don't miss, don't do this type of mistake. Okay. Then there is a math that is from computer organization. Try it. 2 label cache. Using formula only you can do. Formula only you can do. That is very easy. You can do that. You want to solve this question? COE is done. You want to solve this question now, or I should skip? Because till now I did not teach COA. I will start COA soon. I am going to start COA. Okay, everyone don't know, trying. Himani is trying. Manish is guessing. Okay. Okay, who know, let's try. They can try. Okay, Sanjeev is giving the answer. Actually there is a formula. So using, if you know the formula, using that formula only you can solve this. Okay, I am showing the answer. Okay, Himani, Gautami, everyone is giving the answer. So I am waiting 30 seconds, last 30 seconds I am waiting for 30 seconds. Okay, so let's see, 3 is the answer. Who know the answer, who know that what is the formula, by formula you can get the answer, that is option 3, that is 7.55 is the answer. So Sanjeev is correct, Gautami is correct, Himani is correct, everyone is correct. And please everyone try to add your marks, try to count your marks, try to count your marks everyone. This is also very easy question, instruction code. You can do it easily. If you know the idea, you can solve it. Try it. By using the, I can give you the guess, but using the size. By using the size, you can get the correct answer. Or if you are not comfortable with COA, then I will skip. Then I will skip the question of COA. We will discuss the question of COA when I will teach you. Okay, Gautami is giving the answer. Okay, Sanjeev is giving the answer. Try to think like 2 to the power. Try to think like 2 to the power. If you think like 2 to the power only, then you can make the combination also. I am giving you the guess that try to think like 2 to the power. So, using 2 to the power, what is the power, you can do the answer. In that way also you can do. Okay, now Sarita is giving the answer, Vikrant is giving the answer, Himani is giving the answer. So, the answer is 2. Answer is 2. Only by watching the size and try to convert it into 2 to the power, then also you can get the answer. Right? In that way the answer is 2. In that way the answer is 2, that is 7, 6 and 18. 7, 6 and 18 is the answer. Yes. Now try to solve this. $28. 28. Sarita is giving answer. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. It is theoretical question, so in this type of question I will not give you more time. Right? Time up. It's time up. The option 4, that is learning. It is very easy question, that is learning. Agent is what was the question? The question was, is agent improving performance by learning only? Now part CPM. Now part CPM. A is not the answer, Kalyani. Agent is by learning only. 28 answer is 4. "29". I need answer for 29. Have you any idea in part CPM? It is from discrete structure, discrete math. Yes, who have done my plus courses in Unacademy, they already know. If you don't know, then I have to start the discrete math also. Yes. So the answer is, everyone is giving option. Everyone is doing the option. That is, option 1 is the answer. Why you are guessing, Sunita? You are not there in my plus course. Part CPM we have done in plus course. So part CPM merge the event. When it is merging the event, when both event are completing in same time, then only we are merging the event, right? Both is completing in same time, then only we are merging the event, that is completion. I will upload the video for part and CPM. Okay, then it will be clear to you. Now LPP part is very scoring part. From LPP 2 to 3 question every time, 3 question at least it is coming. So I will upload the videos, or if you agree, then I will take the class also. Sunita, you have done the plus course, so please check the plus course. My last course, that is LPP course for capsule course, 7 days course was there. Try to check that. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. Okay, so I am showing the answer. Let's see the answer. Answer is 3. 3 is the answer. It is asking that operating system application software, that software as a service, that is SaaS. So SaaS is the answer. Here it is asking software etc. and software stack. So software as a service, that is SaaS. PaaS is platform as a service. Okay. Now try to solve this from number system. 31, question number 31 from number system. Don't do overthinking, Sanjeev. Sanjeev, you are doing overthinking. Don't do overthinking. Here the question was, try to read the question carefully, that suppose a cloud contains software stack such as operating system, application software, etc. application software is there. प्लेटफॉर्म मीन्स ओनली प्लेटफॉर्म, प्लेटफॉर्म में आपको सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं देते हैं. प्लेटफॉर्म दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग ओनली प्लेटफॉर्म. यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल द सॉफ्टवेयर इन PaaS. PaaS means they will give you that blank, it is like a blank computer. You have to install the software. ठीक है. नो एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, कुछ भी नहीं रहता है. इवन ऑल्सो यू कैन इंस्टॉल द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑल्सो. ओके, दैट इज PaaS. So it is asking SaaS of operating system, software, everything is given, that is in SaaS. PaaS में कुछ भी नहीं होता है. It is just like a blank computer. Okay, yes. Now try to solve this. Subtraction number system. Sanjeev, don't do overthinking please. For the exam you have to think some rationally. Don't do overthink. Overthink करोगे तो आप फंस जाओगे. ठीक है. Yes, it is very easy question. 31. Question 31, it is very easy. Subtraction. Yes, subtraction, we know that subtraction is doing by 2's complement only, because when we are doing something minus, for the minus we have to do the 2's complement, then we have to do the addition. That is the rule of binary number system. So using 2's complement only we are doing the subtraction, right? So option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Yes, Linux operating system. Pooja is giving the answer. So if you are interested, then I can take make a course like the advanced topic what I have completed in Plus course Unacademy. So I can take the advanced topic course like operating Unix, Linux and cloud computing. Every topic will be covered there, right? So this is the answer 4. LPR is the answer. LPR is the answer. Okay, LPR is the answer, that is for printing. Print file is LPR. Yes. Now come to the point HTML. HTML. Okay, okay. I am thinking for the next topic. So let me decide according to your wish. I will take HTML. HTML. How many of you don't know the HTML? That is the horizontal and vertical. Always remember that for the horizontal and vertical, actually I think some class is required for you. The answer is 3. Answer is 3. There is V align, like that is there, but horizontal align, vertical align, that nothing. That type of any keyword is not there, not there. Okay. So हॉराइजेंटल अलाइन नहीं होता है, कभी भी हॉराइजेंटल अलाइन नहीं होता है. वर्टिकल अलाइन इज देयर बट हॉराइजेंटल अलाइन नहीं होते. ठीक है. आई थिंक सम कोर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दैट. I will take the classes for the HTML because from HTML every year question is coming. So for the advanced topic I will take the class. Now this is the this you can do from operating system. From operating system. Thirty-four. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. What is dirty bit? What is dirty bit? Dirty bit is page that modified after loaded into the cache memory. Because dirty, it is dirty because it is updated but the value is not there, right? That is the dirty bit. So option 2 is the correct answer. All of you were correct. Yes, page table attribute. There are some page table attributes, from there the question is coming. Now again this is from networking. 35 number question from networking. Networking. We have discussed this topic very nicely in our class. Using some diagram I have discussed. I can remember that. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. So what will the answer? Answer is 4. So Sanjeev and everyone who don't know the answer, please check the recording. Actually I will suggest you that please check the recording, or otherwise I have to take the networking class again here in YouTube. बिकॉज नेटवर्किंग मैंने बहुत अच्छा से कंप्लीट किए हैं ये. फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन आई हैव गिवन ए डायग्राम. फ्रॉम दैट डायग्राम दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी वेरी क्लियर टू यू. ओके, द आंसर ऑप्शन आंसर इज 4, not 2. Everyone is confused with 2. I was also confused with 2 in the question, in my when I was given the exam. After that I learned the topic. So the answer is fast. The DNS query, first DNS query होते हैं, उसके बाद TCP synchronization होते हैं, क्योंकि DNS query के पहले DNS means domain name service. Domain name first one they will search for the domain name, then everything will start. Because if domain name means I have a website unifiedstudy.com, but they will not understand the domain. They are trying to check the, that is what is the IP, what is the server, actual server where it is hosting, then only synchronization start. Okay, no, Monali is only correct, others are wrong. सो ऑलवेज DNS क्वेरी पहले होगा, क्योंकि आपका डोमेन नेम से आपका वो तो एक निक नेम है, दैट इज ए निक नेम, बट यू आर पॉइंटिंग दैट टू ए IP, सो दे विल सर्च द सर्वर फास्ट, they will search the server fast, right? Who are from Unacademy, who they already know that I have teach this very well. बहुत अच्छे से एक डायग्राम दे के मैं बोली थी, तो if you require then I will take the class for networking. Please set some priority. So now prefix, postfix, using stack. Yes, Himani giving the answer, Sir Sunita is giving the answer. Try to push and make the operation and pop it. Just try to push the data, get the, when the operand is there, then do the operation and pop it. Yes. So what will be the answer? Everyone is giving the answer. Answer will be 3. That is 8, 1. 3 is the answer, that is 8, 1 is the answer. So all of you were correct. Good. Now SQL. Now SQL command based, very easy question. 37 number question. SQL. Sarita, Sanjeev, Vikrant, Sunita, yes, everyone are correct. Yes, answer will be 3. That is drop table. Answer is 3, that is drop table. Drop table is the answer. We have discussed very clearly. Now this is a question from graph theory. Try to solve this graph theory. Graph theory question, that is from Hamiltonian graph. First read the question carefully, then I will show you the option. Read the question carefully and then try to mark what is the correct answer option. Then I will show you the option. 38. Graph theory, Hamiltonian graph. Actually, this is a direct question. If you know the Hamiltonian graph definition, from the Hamiltonian graph definition only the question is come. That is direct question from the definition of Hamiltonian graph. 38 number question. Monali, Manish, what happened with others? Sarita, okay, let's see the answer. What will be the answer? Answer is option 2. Option 2 is the answer, that is only 2. Only 2 is the answer. Option 2 में क्या है? Only 2. Please show the option. Option is here. Option 2 is the answer. Okay, correct. Very good. Very good. It is direct question from Hamiltonian graph definition. Yes. Now this is a question from Boolean equation. Try to solve it. Boolean equation. You can solve by simplification or you can solve by Carnot, anything. Whatever you like, you can solve. Gautami, take your time, solve it. I am giving you the time because this question requires some time. I am giving you the time. Try to solve it. सरिता, संजीव, सुनीता, मनीष. Okay, so let's see what will be the answer. The answer is option 1. Option 1 is the answer. Option 1 is the answer. So that is both 1 and 2 are true. Both 1 and 2 are true. Yes. Manish, you are wrong. Sanjeev, you are wrong. What happened, Sanjeev? Today your performance is low. Why? If you know the rule, from the rule also, that is x plus xy equals to x, like that type of rule is there. So here is wx, here is wx, here is wx plus y, and here it is x, and here it is x plus y. Using that rule also you will get the x plus wy only. मैसेज लेट में जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप जस्ट सॉल्व करो, ठीक है. मैसेज को लेकर डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट व्हेन मैसेज इज कमिंग, ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. दैट इज योर टेस्ट. It is your test. Try to judge yourself, try to analyze yourself, try to think that how much you have to learn, what is your problem, everything you have to analyze. That's why I am taking the test. And what are the question, how the question pattern is coming. Why, Sanjeev, why you miss x or x in option 1? That type of mistake is not allowed. That's why I have uploaded the video which mistake are not allowed. That's why I uploaded the video today. So I will request everyone, please watch the video, that my analysis of failure. That will be very much helpful for you all, I can assure you. Please take some time, that is 20-minute video. So please watch the video and please try to apply the rules for your success. Okay, that video will be very much helpful to you all. Just today evening I have uploaded the video, my analysis of failure. Okay. Answer everyone, I need answer from everyone. Okay. Scrub means scrubbing. We are doing scrubbing in our face also. So scrubbing means it is actually the cleaning. Okay, it is actually the cleaning. Scrubbing means. Okay, so answer 2 is the answer, that is a process to upgrade the quality of data before it move to the data warehouse. We are doing the scrubbing for the death screen, death cell. That is a concept, that by scrubbing the death cell is removing and it is clean out, right? That is the concept of scrubbing, or also in data warehouse, that to upgrade the quality. Upgrade the quality of the screen. That is not the 4, answer is 2. Option 2 is the answer. Okay, think like that girls are doing scrubbing, the girls are using scrubber to maintain the quality of the screen. So that is also the process to upgrade the quality of the data before it move to the warehouse. ठीक है, before going to any party or anything. Sujata, hi. Before going to any party or anything, we are doing the scrubbing. because we are trying to more improve our quality of the skin. Now yes, this is a question from disk pack sector bits. Operating system question. Thank you, Sujata. Everyone, are you trying this? It is known to you, or you want to skip this? If you are able to solve, then try it. Otherwise, I can skip the question. If you don't know, that is the disk pack surface. It is question from operating system. Okay, Sanjeev is giving the answer. What about others? Are you trying or you want to skip? Please reply. Yes, Sarita is giving the answer. So the answer is 2. 20 is the answer. Yes, answer is 2. That is 20 is the answer. Answer is option 2. 20 is the answer. So you were correct. Sanjeev is correct. Manish, Sarita, Gautami, Sujata, everyone is correct. Now 42 number question. Now 42 number question. AI, question from AI. Himani, Manish, Vikrant, Sunita, Pooja, everyone is answering. Last 30 seconds left. I will show the answer now. I am going to show the answer. Answer is 3. Answer is 3, that is both statement S1 and S2 are true. Okay, it is to directly, S1 is coming directly, that is a heuristic is admissible, never overestimate, it is directly coming. And S2 it is also monotonous, because if you are applying any property then heuristic will be monotonous, because heuristic should be, you should take randomly. You did it, if you taking any, if you trying to apply any theorem, apply any property, that should be monotonous, right? So that's why both are correct. S1 and S2 both are correct. Vikrant, you are wrong. Pooja, you are wrong. Himani, you are also wrong. Sunita correct, Sarita correct, Sujata, Himani correct. Okay. Now parsing. Now parsing. Forty-three. Pooja, Sunita, Himani, Sujata. Again, Sanjeev, you have to choose only one answer. You cannot choose both. You have to choose only one answer, okay? You cannot choose both. It is ambiguous. It is ambiguous, that is the answer, that is answer is 2. 2 is the answer because it is ambiguous. Predictive parsing, why it is not using? Because it is ambiguous. When a grammar is ambiguous, when you can make 2 parse tree for a same language, you are able to make 2 parse tree, either you have to use left recursive or you have to use right recursive, any one rule you have to follow, but you will be able to draw 2 parse tree. Here you can check with some language like AB, AAB, AABB, like that type of language if you take. That is, ma'am, why not one left recursive? Because it is asking predictive parsing. Means when you have to predict anything, then if it is ambiguous, then you cannot predict. Okay. It is asking predictive parsing. Please try to read the question total. It is left recursive, it is okay, but it is not suitable for predictive parsing. The total question is asking why it is not suitable for predictive parsing. That's why answer will be ambiguous. Try to think the total question. Don't try to concentrate only on the grammar. You have to think that why the grammar is not suitable for predictive parsing. Okay. Clear, Sanjeev? If it is asking what is the grammar, then you can tell that it is left recursive and it is ambiguous. But it is asking for the relation, that why not suitable. Clear? Okay. Then then try to solve this. Actually in the option it is asking for regular, so it is asking for regular, so think that, try to understand that L1 and L2 what is regular and what is not regular, or both are regular or not, then I will show you the option. First try to determine that what is it regular or not for L1 and L2, then I will show you the option. Shall I go for the option? Yes, I am showing the option. This is the option. Option. Try to answer. Gautami is giving the answer. Gautami, are you there in group? You are coming every day to the class, I can see. But are you there in the group, in the WhatsApp group or Telegram group? If you are not there, then please join the group also. There is a WhatsApp and Telegram group. Please try to join the group. Okay, so what will be the answer? Answer is option 2. Option 2 is the answer, that is both L1 and L2 are regular. Sarita, Himani, why you were confused? Manish is also confused. What happened? What happened? L1, L2 both are regular. What is the problem? It is asking that x for some y means mod y. It is asking mod y equals to 2 to the power x, and xy belongs to L. L is regular. See here xy, x implement x multiply y is belongs to L. That's why belongs to regular language. This is belongs to regular language. That's why the number of y, mod means number of y equals to 2 to the power x, means 2 to the power number of x. So if xy, x multiply y is belongs to the L and it is regular, then it will be definitely regular. Okay, then it will be definitely regular. And L2 it is asking that x for some y such mod x equals to mod y, means number of x equals to number of y. It is asking, and here it is also given that xy belongs to L, that is L is regular. For this statement, that is L is regular, and here it is mentioned L is regular, that's why this both will be regular, means it is giving you that xy is finite. X implement x multiply y is finite. That's why this is also finite and this is also finite. When the comparison is finite, then that is regular, right? When the comparison is finite, it is mentioned that xy is regular and here xy is regular, means both will be regular. That's why always read the question carefully. If any extra statement is giving in the question, then please check the question. Maybe the extra statement will be useful for you, or maybe it may be the possibility that extra statement is there to confuse you. So always try to think that why the extra statement is given. Don't neglect the extra statement, okay? Sometimes extra statement is giving you for the clarity and sometimes extra statement is giving to confuse you. So always check that. Yes, both are regular, L1 and L2 both are regular. ठीक है, that's why that is option 2 is the answer. Both L1 L2 is regular. Yes, now last question, last. It is already 11 past 10. This is the last question of today's last question, 45 number question. $45 number question. Gautami, what? No ma'am? Why you are telling no ma'am means for what? Answer for the last question. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. So let's see the answer. What will be the answer? Answer is option 2. Option 2 is the answer, okay? So option 2 means 2, 3 and 3 only. It is asking the consider the statement and which statement is true. Which statement is true? True is the auto increment addressing mode. The amount of increment depend on the size of the data item accessed. Definitely, because if it is integer then it will be 2 byte. And if it is character then it will be 1 bit or 2 byte, not 2 bit. That is 1 byte, that is 8 bit. 1 byte is character. In that way we have to increment, right? It is depending on the size of the data item. If it is array, then total size of the array, it will be incremented like that. Definitely it is the correct answer. And auto increment addressing mode is useful in creating self relocating code. No, self relocating it is not, because auto increment is for like indexing type that. And if it is auto incremented addressing mode is included in instruction set architecture, then additional ALU is required for the effective address calculation. No, that's why only 3 is the correct answer, right? Yes, so option 2 is the correct. So how much you get? How much you get out of, I think we have started from 23. So 23 to 45. How much you get? Not replying. Okay, So I think you can understand your position, and please think and please let me know from the next week Monday which topic you want to start and how I can take the class for you, which will be very much beneficial for you all. So tell me, let me know, give me suggestion that how you want to continue, which topic you want to continue, how you want to practice. Yes, Pooja, good. 16, 15. Kallani, try to increase your level. Try to increase your level, Kallani. You are getting 11 out of 23, but you have to increase your level more. Okay. And I have to tell everyone that out of 23, try to do the target should be for the practice. Your target should be at least 20. That should be your target. That out of 23, 20 should be your target for the practice. Try to practice again and again this type of question, and try to think that let me know which topic you want for the next week. Okay. I miss lots. Okay. Okay, that you can send me through the WhatsApp. Let me know, message me through the WhatsApp that which topic you want for the next week, that is Monday, from Monday. Okay, and tomorrow I will try to teach you that indexing, that is most important, B tree and B plus tree. I will try to take B tree and B plus tree tomorrow. Okay, and indexing. ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय एवरीवन, गुड नाइट. मैम का yes, B3 and B plus 3 to tomorrow B3 B plus 3 I will complete. I will take the class for B3 and B plus 3 tomorrow. Okay, yes. So thank you everyone, thanks for joining the session. I am really thankful. It's already 11:20, still now you are here. So it's great. Definitely your JRF is coming. Definitely all of you, your JRF is coming. Great. It is really great. Thank you everyone. Bye. Good night. Please like, share and subscribe करो. सबके साथ share करो please. Okay. चलो bye.